Namaste. My name is Jayanti Ravi. I'm an Indian Administrative Service Officer. I belong to the Indian Civil Services, and I consider it a great privilege that I have been recently appointed a fortnight ago as the Secretary of the Auroville Foundation and have taken charge here. In the last 15 days, I've been meeting some amazing people here, and I'm absolutely fascinated with this unique experiment that is happening, perhaps the only one of its kind anywhere on the planet. I also want to say that we as officers of the Indian Administrative Service are not really specialists in any particular domain or field, but we are generalists. But the one skill that we over the years, and my career spanning 30 years, that I've often experienced and been able to perform or deliver is the ability of straddling across different points of view, different stakeholders, and actually facilitating the process of making things happen. And I do look forward to this as an exciting possibility where with all of you together, I would be very happy to offer my services, to work in a very sincere manner towards really seeing all your aspirations, dreams come true. Of course, which would only be possible with the complete grace, the blessings of the mother. This has been her vision. We're all trying to manifest what she dreamt of as a unique experiment, a city where you really synthesize matter and spirit and actually work through and towards human unity, where we're all trying to synthesize the diversity that we have. And this is a living example of it, that there are people from more than 60 countries and people of different age groups, people with different vocations, people from urban areas, rural areas, but we're all collectively trying to really make this dream of the mother manifest itself. And I think it's going to be something that I really look forward to. The kind of people that I've met in the last 15 days has also been very inspiring, and I cherish all these experiences, and I'm excited about the next 2 years, particularly in the context of the 150th birth anniversary of Sri Aurobindo, which is a celebration that has almost begun now. Of course, formally it would start on 15th of August, but the preparatory work for it has started. And I think if we all collectively really try to figure out what are our dreams, aspirations, and ideas that we have to make this celebration very fruitful and accelerate the process of manifesting Mother's vision, it could really be a very strong propellant in our aim towards the highest aspiration, which was what the philosophy of Sri Aurobindo underscores. So I'm excited and looking forward to the next 3 years that I will be spending with all of you. I look at myself as a master plumber who can probably help you remove some of the obstacles and things that possibly clog our aspiration to make things happen. And of course, all this done in the warmth and the complete grace that Mother bestows on us and envelops us all with. I really want to appeal to all of us to rededicate ourselves to really make the philosophy of Sri Aurobindo and the vision, the dream of Mother manifest itself as beautifully, as quickly, and as firmly as possible here in Auroville, to really serve as a beacon for the entire world and mankind. Namaste.
It's okay. That's what White is all about. We have funky pizza. Sometimes you have pizza looks like Antarctica, sometimes like Australia.